What's up everybody, Drake here. Today we're working on the 63 Chevy truck, and today we're going to be taking off the side cowl pieces right here so I can get my fender badges off of it on both sides, and I'm going to hang those up in my house. And then he is sanding on the roof of the truck. So that's what we're doing today, taking the side cowls off the truck and sanding it. Look at that rust. Oh, she's rusted on there. We need to get some old looby-dooby like Puddin' Fab Shop always uses. But don't look like we need any on this one because it's coming off just fine. What the fuck is that? We can add some fancy music of me while I'm taking this off. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. You know how to do all that fancy stuff?
I don't know, but I can try.
It bit me. I put my hand right in the rust. A piece of rust goes through my hand. Let's go look for an let's go look for an extension. So it had a socket on the end of it, and I was like, what the fuck, is that one made with one on there? But it wasn't, so I popped it off and put this on here. Oh shit, she's on there. Gotta get some old looby-dooby on it. We don't have any looby-dooby today, so I'm kind of screwed. I'll try to get it for a second. See how. Yeah. I'm just trying to do this without cutting my hand off. Maybe I should put the extension back on it. That's the only bolt that's giving me. Oh shit, she's stuck on there. Oh shit, what did I do? I got it stuck on there. Wait, which way loosens it and which way tightens it?
Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. Left, this way, towards me.
I was doing it the wrong way. Oh shit. I think it's stuck on there.
That's the wrong way.
I'm doing it wrong. Damn, all these bolts are rusted on here. What the fuck? I need oil. I wonder if there's any around here. Let's go look for some looby-dooby. See if we can find some. Where would it be? Probably in the car. Oh, I found some looby-dooby. doobie right here. I wonder if that'll work. Premium. My dad's gonna whip my ass for using his oil. Just a little bit in a cap, as you can see there. And smothering it. Let's go put this on. Well, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm trying to get that bolt loose. Hope that's probably not the right.
You know you got back bolts right here.
Yeah, I know.
Did you get the back one off over there?
Yeah, on the other one.
You can cut that antenna wire, it's no good.
Yeah.
Or I had to grind that out too. Cut
I got the one, I didn't get the bottom one on the other one.
Wrist. Oh, that looks good, Jacob.
Give it a couple love taps. Whoa. Now we're going to be taking these headlight rings off. And I might be putting them on my other truck. I'm not sure yet. You got a good angle of me taking these off.
Maybe, I don't know.
Well, you can click the screen. See me?
Holy shit, that's cool.
Close up on me unscrewing this. Like shining at me unscrewing it.
Bro, I didn't even know you could do that.
What?
I didn't even know you could fucking zoom in, bro.
You didn't know?
No,
I'm
what?
zooming on me. I like these clear lenses. Those are nice. Okay, so I ain't got any more looby-dooby to put on these lights, so we're gonna be test fitting these to see if any of them fit. Because I'm gonna take these beautiful clear lenses out because I like the way they look, and I might be putting them on my other truck. Too big. Well, let's hope this fits. Come on, Lord, let it fit. It fits, thank the Lord. Now see, I forget which way right and left is. So, like I sit there, I try to unloosen something and I just sit there and tighten it and tighten it and tighten it because I get my right and my left mixed up. You know how they say righty, tighty, lefty, loosey? Righty? So you tighten it right, it gets tight. And then you tighten it left and it gets loose.
Put on there?
And then, I'll put my GMC hood on here.
Not today, though.
Not today. I'm just, you know, playing around, you know.
When we lift the cab, we can lift it whatever.
Getting some videos.
You heard me?
Yeah.
You take a 2x4 and go up in there. And
I would like to find me an Apache hood one day for this cab. But I'll put the GMC one on it.
You okay, man?
Bro, we posted on YouTube.
What?
I said if you post this on YouTube, bro, I would watch it. It's
I
funny.
am putting it on YouTube.
Oh
You're
shit.
gonna go on
I better not
YouTube.
touch.
Hey, whatever you do, hey, whatever you do, don't let that thing hit your knuckle and break it.
Oh shit.
Holy shit. Hey man, you did a nice job.
Oh, I know. Well, I can't get them off. They're too tight, so I'll have to do it a different day when my dad can help me. I'm gonna try it again. Maybe I could get some looby dooby and spray up on there. Maybe if I had some looby dooby, it might come out. I don't even know if I'm tightening it or loosening it. Tightening in it, loosening in it. Alright, let me think about this. Tight. So he's got the roof up in there sanded, and I can't seem to get these lights undone, so that's where we're going to call it a video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button, drop it a like, and always, you know, if you want to see more truck content, like I said, I probably said it twice, but subscribe for more truck content. See this 63, 66 Chevys, 70s Fords, all kind of trucks. So subscribe today. You want to say anything before we go?
No.
Peace!